Hello, the topic today is service payments. And so we're under the service system, and we'll just go to a service order here, and it drops us into the jobs menu. We have this tab called payments, where we can take cash, check, or if we have a payment provider, we can also take debit, credit, as well as ACH and PIN pad device type payments. So let me just click on payments here. And we have just a classic view of what we could look at. For the customer, we have copies of an invoice, a service order, a receipt. And if we click on that, we can see what this form, the invoice or receipt form, is going to look like with all of our information. And to post a payment, if we're just going to post a payment without using the online payment services, maybe we just took a check, we would just put in that money. Let's say it was $25. We could choose the payment type, the date, the cash. We could post a note and just click post payment. And that will enable us to actually post that money. And then ultimately, if we have a payment provider, an integrated payment system, we could also choose a debit and enter a debit or credit card, connect to a device, a PIN pad device that's local, maybe on our desk, or even take a check if we wanted to. But ultimately, that whatever payment you post, you can also now electronically send that receipt to the customer, and this is what the receipt would look like. It would have all the monies that were posted. And to electronically send this to the customer, as long as you have our messaging CRM, you just choose eSend Receipt. Now it's gone to the customer's contact record in the messaging CRM. It's populated all the information. All we have to do is choose, do we want to send it via mobile or whatever information we have up here, mobile or email. We could just as easily email it to the customer or send it via mobile because they are populated there. We just choose message. And now we've just sent a payment receipt with a copy of that document that has gone to that customer. And that's actually my number, so I actually got the document. And I can then go right back to that order where we were at under that payments view. So the payments view is very easy, it has lots of features, and makes your job very easy, and also makes it easy to deliver that information directly to the customer via their mobile or via their email. Thank you so much.